What am I gonna film? So I was like, should I just do like a Walmart? Because I bought new Walmart things. But then I'm like, pretty boring. Oh my god, can y'all shut up? I'm finally back with Mother Nature, clearly. So the first product that I got was a Wet n Wild Dewy Luminix like primer. Oh hell no! Like it gives me this like dewy look. So the next item I bought was this elf fountain.
So I'm pumping out. Why is it not coming out?
So, oh my god, this smells really good. Oh no, honey.
Is way too. No, it looks so beautiful. No, I feel like in real life right now, it's very pink tone.
So I bought this like Milani spray, and it's supposed to be really good. So this was retail for like $8, and it's saying it's like one of the best. Oh hey! Oh my god, why is?
Got you in my system, yeah, I've been waiting. Show me to your kingdom, we can find a place. Hold me till the dawn, a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me lay out.